Danielle with Bo Peeps Bonnets. Today I want to show you how to do the baby cable stitch. It's a really simple stitch that gives you a cable appearance without the use of a cable. Sometimes this stitch is also called the mock cable stitch or the faux cable stitch. So let's get started. Alright, so here's how the stitch goes. First step, knit 2 together. Except, don't slide these stitches off the needle. Instead, knit into the first stitch again, and then slip both stitches off your needle. And there you can see that the stitch has twisted, giving you this cable appearance. Now let's do that again. My pattern has a purl 2 in between the baby cable, so let me do that really quick. Now, let's baby cable again. So, knit 2 together. Don't slip the stitches off. Instead, knit into the first stitch again, and then slip both stitches off. Let's do that one last time. Purl 2, just like my pattern says. And now, here comes the baby cable nice and slow. Knit 2 together. Don't slip the stitches off. Knit into the first stitch again, and slip off both stitches. That's all there is to it, my knitting friends. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy knitting. Bye.